Would we rather do a little rent bump and make sure that they can pay the whole month, or do a bigger one and hope that they pay? Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, I'm in Rome, Italy, and behind me is the Colosseum. It is so fantastic just to be able to immerse ourselves in all of the history everywhere we go, right? Because that's really what creates the culture, what brings the people together. And so it's just so cool to be able to explore all these different historical places. But what am I here to talk to you about today? Today, I want to talk about the 3 keys to a successful syndication during an economic downturn. This is something that a lot of people are talking about right now. So these are the 3 tips that Michael and I have for you. So the first one is to obtain long-term fixed rate debt. That allows you to exit when you want to and not when you need to. No one really could have guessed that 2 years ago, when rates were really low, that they would skyrocket like they were today. When you have that long-term fixed rate debt, you don't have to worry about when the interest rates skyrocket, and that's fantastic. Second thing is to have conservative underwriting. A lot of people say that they have that, so how do Michael and I implement that? We make sure that we have conservative underwriting because right now, with inflation and how high it's gotten, we don't want to do huge rent bumps because that really affects all of the residents at our property. Would we rather do a little rent bump and make sure that they can pay the whole month, or do a bigger one and hope that they pay, right? No, we're gonna do that littler one and make sure that we're in a safe place. It also makes sure that we have increased expenses. We wanna make sure that because of the supply chain, because of everything that's happened, a lot of the raw materials that we've been using have gone up in price. And so with our conservative underwriting, we have given ourselves the cushion so that with those increased expenses, we don't have to worry about that as much. And the third and final thing, just as important as the other 2, is that we want to make sure we have a substantial contingency for our CapEx budget. And what does that mean? So usually we had a 10%. So if you had a $500,000, that would be 10%. We're now going above to 30%. So if it's $500,000, we want a contingency of $150,000. Why? With increased labor expenses, we want to make sure that we can handle that. Again, with the supply chain, with raw materials going up, we want to make sure we can handle that. Because everything is fluctuating like this right now, we want to just make sure we have the cushion in place so that we don't have to make a capital call, because we know that nobody wants to ask for one of those. So again, first one, have long-term fixed rate debt. Second one, make sure you have conservative underwriting. And the third and final is substantial contingency for the CapEx budget. So if you like this video, or if you have any questions, please make sure to smash that like button or leave a question in the comment section and I will respond back to you as soon as I see it. And so that you don't miss any of these videos, make sure that you ring that bell and subscribe so that you get notified every time we are in a new place and make a new video. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!